We're just gonna videotape everything.
Here we are on a wild journey to explore stuff. Can we go back now? I'm getting tired.
We just started.
I have seemed to fallen away from the rest of the group. I don't know if I'll be able to catch up. But I got my friend Sunshine here. Sunshine, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. I don't know the rest of the song. Oh good, we made it to the top. Somewhat. Good job, Hillman.
Thanks.
Good job, Gabe.
Thanks, man.
Look at Gabe, he's all happy. Strider's always happy. We're about probably like 45 minutes in, and I'm exhausted. But carry on with a heart full of song. Something awaits me up here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful lake. And not so beautiful guys.
Where? No, it's back here.
Gosh. Where? A frog? Oh, Nessie. Come on, get in bed.
Make sure you don't say anything bad. We got Derek with the video camera here, bud.
Go. Just
jump!
Dive in.
Wait, what's the... Oh, there it is.
Dive in. You have goggles. Go.
Oh my gosh. Is it cold?
Let's go. You get it? Oh, gosh. No.
Did you get it?
I don't know.
What?
Could you see down there?
Oh, yeah, dude, it was creepy. It looked like Ness was gonna come get me.
Dude, I want to.
It's like you just see a tentacle just like go out of the water.
Oh gosh. Anybody pack?
Was it like this? I mean, more jagged mountains, and more like in the Bighorns, it's all on one ridge. Like everything's on one ridge, and it's just down the other side. My wife told me that if you got that out, I needed to run because you put me on YouTube.
Max, I hiked the Appalachian before, up in North Georgia.
You did?
You need to go straight.
Just 50 miles.
Where are you going?
We're going left!
Nah.
Just wait up, wait up, wait up. A leader's in front anyway, so you gotta wait.
Okay,
I am a
get your
leader.
map out. Where's 047 go? That goes to...
Get your map out. Who's got their map out?
I gotta film this, man.
Map, and then get your compass and orient your map is what you do.
I remember last time we went back.
Bang.
I jumped in the lake.
Okay, what did I show you guys how to do with the maps and the compasses?
Yeah, that's me.
Where's your
Yes.
compass? Who's got a
the
compass?
mug.
Derek.
Here comes. Hold it right here.
Moving this.
It's a cool compass. Who's this?
Worms are weird.
Life is a beautiful struggle. Full up, its ups and downs. But you gotta come prepared with water as well. Oh, that tastes good. People with you. This path is like life. Take you many great places. Whew. You'll see what I'm talking about. Move out, soldiers. Give me a hoorah!
Hoorah!
Let's go. Good.
Sasquatch!
I had to get there. This one or this other one?
Wait, that's snow?
I do not believe this, but yes,
It's snow!
snow.
It's not
In the
snow.
middle of June.
Oh, it feels so good. Let's go. Wait, do we have to go down?
Such a beautiful scene. Let's take a closer look. Never mind, not so beautiful anymore.
Wait, what's the...
Don't put me on YouTube.
Yeah, it's not real.
Oh.
You have to see the best.
You gotta get it out of the shot.
You can put me on YouTube, but I'm gonna charge money for the rights. I get famous.
Fair enough.
Yeah, what happened?
Now we move out.
Max, hashtag.
We have to do all that hiking again.
All right.
At least it's downhill.
Are we ready?
All of them were scooshed up together.
Let us jet.
So we're on our way back, and it's an easy hike because we're going downhill. They kind of left me in the dust, but there's still people behind me, so I'm not gonna die or anything. A bee sting. No, I'm just kidding. Dramatic. That's how I am. Like a woman. Okay, don't add that last part in.
We're almost there, too.
The back. All tripped. That's okay. Say anything.
We stay strong. Back to the truck. Woo!
Can you dig it?
No, it smells like a fart. No.
Alright, when we get there, we should all scream, hooah!
No, we have to
How about the last one of the trucks, a rotten egg?
Guess that'd be me.
You can do it. You gotta. Why don't you go? Why don't you go?
What's up? Any wise words?
Did you seriously?
Made it.
Just like,
Good enough.
yep. Horribl. Horrible. Walking. The only thing fun was standing nude. I'm serious about that, ass Strider. Why are you making this video again?